So here we are at the Frederica waterfall, and it comes from a little river that comes all the way from the Black River Gorges and falls down this waterfall into this beautiful fresh basin at the bottom, and then it carries on to go and join another river called Geckoes River. Pure fresh water, and you can come and have a swim in here when you're doing your hike or your picnic tour at Frederica. So these pods actually have some games inside, so you can go in and play. And what's really great is that, look, it's like floating. It moves. There's nothing holding it down. So you really are like suspended in the nature, suspended in the trees. It's really lovely. It's so calm and quiet here. It's such a beautiful day, and the smell of the forest is just wonderful. Oh, it's so relaxing. So this is how you go up, and if I can make it, I think anybody else can. Look at this. Isn't it just lovely? And you can zip it down if you want to keep all the mosquitoes out. So Vishal, what is this spot absolutely famous for?
Alors, we've got lots of Mauritians here come here for lunch, especially when there is a special occasion, for the birthday of someone.
Or Mother's Day.
Or Mother's Day,
yeah, lovely.
So you can spend 3 hours. So by the fire camp here, have lunch here, and even relax on the mini, you can say, lounge here. And even or in the picnic pod inside, relax.
Oh, I want to go and visit this picnic pod inside. So this is what you can see when you come to Frederica Lodge. Well, you can see the animals, you can see all the endemic plants, endemic animals as well, because these stags come from Java originally. And then you can come right next to the freshwater river with a picnic pod, picnic area that's all ready to welcome clients in this magnificent domain. It's really, really, really beautiful and calming. Wow. So this is in the Frederica Nature Reserve, and look at what we can see. These beautiful stags that originally come from Java. And here you are at your picnic pod near the beautiful fresh water. Everything's all ready for the picnics. Ready in the middle of nature. It's just beautiful.